Hi! So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. It's from Shelby, my future sister-in-law, hopefully. So yeah, she sent me a package. She's currently in Korea right now, so let's get this started. So it's already opened because my mother and my sister love to snoop, which, you know, it's illegal because it's my mail, but whatever. Alright, so we've got honey butter chips, which I'm really excited about because I don't know, it just sounds really good. Shelby always told me about these churro chips. I'm really excited to try them. I kind of want to try one. I don't know which one though. We're gonna try churros. Let's see how it is. So now it's an unboxing and a review video. They're so cute. I don't even like churros, but those are delicious. Oh my god. Those are dangerous. I'm gonna have to go to the World Market to honestly see if I can find them because those are so good. Oh my. Okay. We've got, honestly, I can't read this, but it looks like a sort of like heating pad, kind of. Like if I'm cramping or, yeah, for cramps. Amazing, because I don't have a heating pad. An O-shaped tubing band. Ooh, let me get my fit on with this. Actually, I'm really excited about this because my bands suck ass. There's so much in here. I wasn't expecting this much. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's so cute. I'm gonna put this somewhere in my room. I don't know where yet. Probably up there where I just sat it. Okay, these are compressed facial masks. This is really interesting. Again, I can't read directions. I don't know, maybe if I put it like into Google Translate. That's actually a really good idea. But it looks like you put the tablet in water. I don't know, I'm gonna honestly have to message her about this, but like, look at it. It's so cool, they're like little tablets. Love skincare. Ooh. I wish they had stuff in English. I mean, just so I could read it. But they look like little candies with jelly inside. They look really good. I'm assuming they're like a peach flavor. I'm excited to try these. Honestly, I'm probably gonna eat all this tonight if we're being honest because I have no self-control. Rose water skin pads. That's exciting. I'm very excited for this. I bet it's cute on the inside. Kind of just want to see. Oh, it's a little cute jar. I'm excited to try these. Probably gonna try it all tomorrow after my shower, if we're being honest, because I'm just that way. Another cute little statue. The Republic of Korea. Probably gonna set that one next to it too, honestly. Oh my god, there's so much! This is amazing. What a great invention. It's like a toothpaste dispenser. You put your toothpaste in and you, I guess, put your toothbrush under and push it and it like squirts out the perfect amount of toothpaste. This is amazing and I'm gonna go put this in the bathroom after I film this, so I'm very excited for that because I Honestly, hate leaving my toothpaste on the counter because we have no drawers. Oh my god, these are adorable. Chopsticks. Well, I shouldn't do that, but these are so cute. Look at them. Let me make like a makeup video. Oh yeah, polka dot, striped. I will probably honestly use these a lot. I'm very excited. Those are very cute. Okay, we've got I don't know, I'm just gonna have to open it and find out later. They feel like little rice cakes almost. We'll find out later. Well, I could open it right now. Look at that. Oh my, they're like little waffle cones. Can you see it? They taste like the little cookies at a Chinese buffet with the like almond in it. So it tastes like. They'd be really good dipped in ice cream. I might have to try that. This is a peach hand cream. It's so cute too. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take it out. Look how cute it is. Looks like a little peach, a little butt. Wish my butt looked like that. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell through the camera. Like, it's absolutely amazing. I love this so much. Let's put it back on. Aww. These are little magnets. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh my god, I love these. I'm gonna put them up in my room, of course. They're so cute. And then we've got I don't know. So we're gonna open it and find out. They look like, well, I bet they're these little balls on top right there. We're gonna find out. Let's see. Will I eat all this tonight? Probably. But we're gonna try not to. We're gonna try really hard. I can't open things, like, ever. Of course it's packaged like this, so I actually have to open it. We're gonna try it too. Oh my god, it smells like chocolate as soon as you open it. I'm just gonna have to go to the World Market and look for all of these because they're so good. All the snacks, look, they have chocolate in the middle. This is so good. This is why I'm gonna gain 15 pounds in the next 2 days. That's not going back in there. I'll just eat them all. Honestly, I think Shelby can read my mind because I've been wanting this so bad and she sent it to me. The Rose Water Toner. I don't know how to say the name of it, so I'm not gonna say it, but I've been wanting to try this for so long. So I'm gonna try this after my shower tomorrow too. Very excited. Probably gonna use it every day. Well, yeah, why would I not? And this is Vital Vitamin Cream from the same brand. You know, I ran out of Tula and I've been using it and I don't like their moisturizer, so I'm very excited to try this and hopefully it does wonders for my skin. Let's hope so. Got a little bag, a pouch. We're gonna open it, of course. Ooh. An eyebrow razor. I am terrified. What if I like mess my eyebrow up? Like, knowing me, I would just take the whole, all of it off, half of it. I don't know, maybe I can make my brows look pretty good and not take all of it off. It's gonna be a little experiment. I'm gonna have to tread lightly. Oh, a face circle. A little face pad. It looks so like I would lay on that if it were as big as I was. I would just sleep on it. That's exciting. I love that it has directions. Like, people don't know how to use it. Ooh, an aroma perfume mist. We're gonna open it too. I'm just gonna open everything. I need new perfume too, so this is... Ooh. That smells really good. It smells like, I don't know, like Japanese cherry blossom. It's, might be what it is. It just smells florally. This smells really good. I'm gonna wear it all the time because I need no perfume. Masking tape. Honestly, I'm gonna reach into my creative side deep down in the depths of my body and I'm gonna use this somehow. I don't know yet, but we're gonna find out this week. Getting a new mirror. Maybe I can make it look cute. We're gonna try. Because I want to use this. It's so cute. Look at it. It has little, this lighting is terrible. Patterns. I don't even know what you would call them, but they're so cute. I'm gonna use it for everything, honestly. Broken car. Florally masking tape. And beauty blenders. I don't know why I did that. I love how they feel though. I love beauty blenders. Oh, there's so much. I truly wasn't expecting this much. You're just a godsend because my feet are ugly as hell and this is going to really help me. So thank you. It's a little soft peel off foot pack. This is honestly, I'm doing this tonight, like in 10 minutes, so. Well, maybe I should paint my toes first because they're ugly and then I could have pretty soft feet with pretty toes. I just might. This is a V-line lifting pack. Oh my god, is this gonna lift my face? I have to try this. Like, you literally put it on your face where your chin is, and I guess it's supposed to like lift and make the appearance like more up, like this. I don't know, but I'm really excited to try this. Now we've got a white collagen cotton linter mask. I don't know why I just said it like that. It feels like very thick. So this is gonna be really interesting. It feels very thick. I'm excited to try this. Brightening complexion. Very excited. Oh, I love these. So I first tried one with Shelby and it was amazing. I'm gonna use this as soon as I can. It's one of those little bubbling foam masks, so you put it on and it starts to bubble up. I didn't know they had them like sheet masks, so that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Lip and neck solution patch. I feel like everyone looks so good in Korea because they just have access to this kind of stuff. You just, I guess, put it on around your mouth and then on your neck, and I don't know, I'm gonna have to Google it. But I bet it does the same thing as the chin one. We'll see. And then a 3D sheet silicone mask cover. I'm very confused on this one, but it looks so cool. I don't know, the pictures aren't really, like, I guess you put it over your face when you're in the shower and your face won't get wet, maybe? That's what I'm guessing. But it looks so, I'm just excited to try all of this. Like, this is all new to me. And then we've got a card. Oh my god, look at how cute the card is. This deserves to go up somewhere. It's so precious. Hi Savannah, Merry belated Christmas / New Year. This is gonna be your year and I see big things happening for you. Congrats on getting into UCO. Thanks for always being such a good friend to me. Can't wait till you're officially family. Shelby and Kendrick from Korea. Thank you, Shelby, so freaking much. I'm so excited to try this and I feel awful because I didn't send shit. So I'm gonna have to do that. But thank you so much. I love you so much. And I'm really hoping that we're family one day. And if Casey watches this, well, hint hint, Casey, let's get on it. Okay, bye. Thank you.